Is this set to do a tool change at any time in this program?
No, but I can do a tool change for you if you want the video.
That'd be great.
Okay.
What RPM is it running at right now?
It is running at 615.
Maximum is 10?
Something
Yeah, it
like
is.
that.
Do you ever run it that high? Or?
I think I've seen it run that high before.
Okay. Yeah, if you could do a quick tool change, that'd be great. I don't want to interrupt the running of your part.
Okay.
Perfect.
And then I can do this.
Cool. Thank you.
Yep.